Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT Tech Away Tech Everything, and today I'm gonna unbox a product from Baseus. So Baseus is a Chinese brand, Chinese company. They make lots of different products, phone case, cable, and etc. If you don't know Baseus, by the way, just to clarify, this is not a sponsor video. So Baseus, if you're watching this video, if you want to sponsor me, contact me. Yeah, email is in the about tab. Yeah, go search, come and find me, man. Okay, this is the Baseus lighting under the Sunshine series. They call it full moon induction nightlight because the design is like a moon, full moon. So it has a full moon design, like I said earlier, 180 degrees beam angle, so the light will shine through in this direction 180 degrees. You'll see all the features that you get in this product. Okay, the first thing first, it can turn on and off when people come and go. So why? Because it has a 6 meters of long sensoring distance. That's why it can detect your presence and will turn on and turn off. Next, 400 days of battery life if you turn on the sensoring mode instead of turning on all the time. Yeah, 400 days per charge. That's insane, man. That battery life is really long. Okay, next, magnetic type installation, easy to use. Oh, okay, so you just stick it on the wall, I guess, with the magnetic. Yeah, later I will show you guys how. Yeah, that's good, no need screw or whatever. For multiple scenarios, I think it's the light color. Yeah, we'll find out. And also, what is this? For multiple scenarios, the same thing. Okay, different houses, I guess. I don't know why they put the same thing, just different logo. Okay, at the back, you can see there's an example for you to see like how the light works and how bright it is. Okay, pretty good. And these are the spec. You guys can pause it if you want to read it. I'm not gonna read it all, that's long. So you will see this QR code and scrap and check. This is how Baseus fight against the counterfeit. If you want to make sure you get the genuine one instead of the counterfeit one, scrape off this, scan it through, and you type it. So let me do it right now. I'm gonna use my cutter, or you can use a coin. Okay, now I get this QR check. Another QR check. I thought it would be like a code or something. Oh, never mind. Okay. Right now I'm gonna use my phone. So once you scan the QR code that you scrape off, it will bring you to this website. You can change the language, but remember to copy the serial number, because once I change it, serial number just disappear. Yeah, so click check, confirm check. Yeah, you sell. So it verified this product as a genuine, and you say here, please rest assured and use it. This is the official genuine product. Yeah, I just translate it for you guys, but you can change it to English. Okay, now we already made sure that this product is genuine. Let's unbox it. Yeah, spend a lot of time already. There's 2 tape, left and right. So let me cut it through. Okay, one down, another one. Okay, done. Go up here. Okay, and drag it out like this. Whoa, look at that. Inside what you get, another, I think it's warranty card. Okay, they give you this cute little stickers. Yeah, lion stickers. Okay, I'll keep it, thank you. And what is this? This is a warranty policy in Mandarin and also in English. Yeah, warranty card, warranty policy. Put it aside. What else? This is the instruction guide in Mandarin and also English, front and back. Put it aside, and you get protector for the thing, cover it. There's no other colors option to choose, only white. Yeah, I hope that there's a black option for me to choose, but there isn't, so only white. What is this? The cable in USB-C. Nice. Stop using micro USB, man. All USB-C. Good thing. Okay, let me take it out. Oh, okay. This is what they meant when they talk about magnetic installation. Okay, so you get a 3M sticker and then you stick on the wall. this is how you charge the Moonlight using USB-C, and there's a LED light indicator there, and behind there's some FCC logo, some spec name, whatever. Yeah, I took it out from the magnetic dock. Yeah, so once you finish charging, put it back to the magnetic dock. Yeah, I already stick it into the wall. With this magnetic stuff. You saw that, right? Okay, pretty useful, pretty convenient. Oh, there's a sticker peel off. In order to turn on, it's pretty simple, and I like the way they implement it. To turn on, you just switch like this motion. So you can see there's a circle over here that's act as a pointer. So right now in the off mode, switch to auto or on. The light will stay on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But if you want to save battery life, I recommend you guys to switch it to auto mode. So auto mode, this is the motion sensor. It will sense your presence. If you are near to this light bulb around like 0 to 6 meters, it will light up automatically, and it will lights off once you leave it. About 20 seconds later, it will turn off. Okay, now turn off. So if I'm here again, nothing. Maybe it's the environment is too bright. That's about it, guys. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification whenever I upload a new video. Share it to your friends and family. Comment down in the comment section below what do you think about this product, and buy me a coffee if you can to support this channel. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.